to another video. So I'm here heading out. My plan for today is to try to get my papers sorted out for my work permit for next year. So I'm trying to get it done from now before they stop paying my NIB. So I'm walking on the road and I'm going to try and see if I can catch a bus. That's a number 16, which will be on Carmichael Road. So that's what I'm doing right now. Sun hot, but I came here saying I'm going to do a vlog, but then I remember but then I remember about back home in Jamaica, about what's happening currently, which is very sad. Left me in tears. Felt like I should be home, but you know, I'm looking on the brighter side. As everyone say, no matter what our situation be as a Jamaican, we are going to come back on our foot, and no matter what our situation, we are going to always find some joke or something to smile about, no matter how hard the situation looks or is. So my heart goes out to my country, and happy to say my parents and my two boys, they are good, even though I have not heard from them because of not having any internet or no electricity. But I've heard that they are good, and thanks be to God for that. But my heart goes out to the others who was very badly hit. I mean, the whole house have gone. Everything is gone. Everything is in shambles for them, and it's really sad. But thanks be to God, some still have life, and by the grace of God, we all are going to bounce back. It's going to take a long time. It's not going to be easy, but we'll bounce back no matter what our situation. But here, heading out, and I'll pick up back. I want to draw some funds. After I draw my funds, I think I'm going to do that at the supermarket instead of stopping at the bank. Even though them are going to take more money from me that way, you know, but I'm just going to do that, and then take the bus, head to the library, get my stuff photocopied, so I don't have to do this another day. And also need to look about my police record, which if someone to look about that part for me. So just going to get this stuff photocopied, and I'll see you back in the next clip, guys. Soon come back. Here in the food store, I did get the phone, so that's good. The machine is working, thank the Lord. I'm probably have to look if I can find Jamaican crackers, some plastic fish, and I think I want to this is where I normally find Jamaican products. So let's see. I see crackers in this one. Oh, crackers is here. Tin mackerel, sardine. I've got no this, you know. Not the crackers. Crackers, like, oh my god. Try one this and see if they have any quinoa. No quinoa. have no quinoa. No quinoa. No Jamaican crackers. Oh, I'll take that for me. Oh no, you're supposed to walk back down. Exit down here. Seriously? Mushroom crackers. That you feel how to do it with fish, you know? Oh boy. Going to get out, guys. Later. So they don't have what I need in the store. Oh. So I'm going to head out the bus stop now to try and get the number 16. Oh, when I come back with my treat myself, sit down and eat something. And then go back in the supermarket that same one and get the thing. You know, snacks. Nothing much, just a few snacks. It's banana chips or what. So, oh boy, should I eat? Should I try the salad over there? So, you know, I need to try the salad and the price. How about I think it was $8 or $10 for the salad at Bamboo Shack. I'm like, oh, look on the picture. I hope it say look when we get it for real. Oh my god, cause sometimes those pictures be fooling you. You're like, so where the cranberry? Where the strawberry? Where the blueberry? Oh, and I understand that sometimes they may run out of stuff, so they try to incorporate other fruits. But sometimes what I see on the picture I really want. So reach the bus stop. We'll come back, guys. Hello. I'm here at the library. Bahamas library. Let me show you. The library. Bahamas library. This one trimmed. This one cut. Alrighty. Okay, so I got through. That was quick. Oh, there's a bus. So I got my stuff photocopied. So I'm heading back on Carmichael Road. The bus just passed, but hope I get a nap. See one instead of standing and waiting for long hours. It's still early still. It's after 11, so bus can get a bus in no time. The library is, guys. It's a really big library. They have solar though. That's right. Need to go over that fruit store. I wonder if they have blueberries. I need blueberries. I wonder how much. Normally them cheaper than in the food store. Let me go over there and find out. Oh. Can I cross? Can I cross? No. have any berries? Blueberry?
Berries?
Yeah.
Blueberries.
Yeah. How much for one?
Yeah, what pay?
Huh?
8.
$8? And the strawberries?
Mm,
No strawberries.
I don't know, we gonna get some.
Ah. And if more spend $8.
So what was the meat?
$8. $8? No sir. I spend $8 on berries. $8? No auntie but why? $8 steep. And it's scarce, you know, because I'm going to the store where I'm gonna never have it. No berries, no strawberries. Like what? $8? That's a lot. $8. I don't want to buy no berry for $8, you know. But can't give me one egg and bread. And let's oh lady. Okay, so just took the bus, came off this my stop. I'm in my vicinity. So I want to stop at Dunkin'. I'm going there go see what the price is like in Dunkin's, and see if I can buy a donut. I've never tasted donut, you know, so I'm gonna try it out. Just gonna try it out and see what it's like. And then there's Popeyes over here as well. Let me show you guys. I want to come here so if you look about my face, make my face clean and nice and flawless over this one. And yeah, this is a plaza. And this is Dunkin's over there. Over there, Dunkin's, right? And then Popeyes is over there. Yeah. But I'm going to go Dunkin's first. I'm going there. I've never been in there. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Dunkin', Dunkin'. What's the price like for your donuts?
Yes, just for 11. 21 for 12. Or $2 each.
Oh,
I also have a donut combo with small like $3. I start with $6.
okay. Can I have one? Can I have one of that, please? Okay, so I'm not a coffee person like that, but going to try the iced coffee, and I only bought 2 donuts because 6 donuts for $11. I try if you see. You know, I've tried it before, but it was years ago. And trust me, the time when I did try it, I just came up here. So that like 8 years ago. So I only buy 2, and this is like a combo. So you get 2 donuts and any two of your choice and an iced coffee. So yeah, I'm wondering if I should go home. I want to buy the little snacks, because I'll be home all day today. Tomorrow, I'm going to say when we're ready, I want a snack. I have fruits. I only have apples. Because when the fruit them get expensive, I try to go the cheaper route. So yeah, I have 1 bag of apple, 1.5 bag of apple. So but we need like snack, and my snack is mostly like, as I said before, bun or banana chips. There's these banana chips that I get over here, and it's like $1.99. Some stores sell it for $2 and some cents, but yeah, try and cross this busy road and get home. See you soon, guys. So I'm here, guys, walking it up. Can't get no bus. Don't live too far from the plaza, so when I don't see bus, I walk it. That's not a bus, it's a truck. So that's what I'm doing. But when I was coming to the bus stop, I saw 2 buses. I was like, if those 2 buses pass, I'm not going to get no bus to come up this side. So I just make up my mind. Don't see any start walk, and we soon reach. So that's what I'm doing. Soon come back, guys. Oh, sorry. No back soon. Oh, Jesus. Why me can't find nothing today? Today's what? Monday. Can't find nothing. Come in this store to look for crackers. No crackers. Little bag soup. None. Alrighty. I forgot just buy little banana chips. No, I want bleach, I want a bleach. I need a bleach. Blanco. They're not the Clorox. How much less do you want Clorox there? $7. Lord of mercy. $7. Clorox 8. So, but this not bad. $8. Not bad. Clorox 8. Can I manage it? Can I manage to walk? I want something for the bathroom. For the bathroom. Where is it? Oh, it's in there. The bowl soup. I have pop soup now, but I take up one because I'm going to the cherry flavor. I want one more breaking up and then break. This is an apple flavor. Should I go with it? Should I go with it? Okay. This is the apple scented. This is the cherry. Now try the cherry. Now you feel like you want to try the cherry. Try the one here.
Well, I know I like. When you treat me, anything.
for $8, so I think I should buy it because I need bleach and this one serve me long. Would I buy it and it may serve me more than can't believe it. When I see me snack bed, go take up bun and banana chips. Soon come back guys. Guys, I'm back to close out this video, so I'll change and everything. So I'm going to try and do a taste test and end off the video. So I don't even remember the name of the donuts that I bought. I thought they would cover it. They are all smudged up. So this is a chocolate topping one, and then the other one is like cream cheese something with sprinkles on it. I don't know the name. I should go for my my receipt and see if the name of the I don't think the name of the donut is on it, but let me see. Coming back, found the paper. So it does not say the name, so I really do not. It just said donuts combo, which was for $5.45, iced coffee 114, VAT 66 cents. So everything came up to $7.25 for the 2 donuts and the iced coffee. Let's try the iced coffee. I had it in the fridge because I had to walk come up, it got warm. The ice melt. And it's still not cold enough. But let's see. And this is the medium size. So you can imagine large. It's just plain coffee. Now I see why people add like the foam and the sweetener, because it don't taste bad. It tastes like coffee. So let me try and see if I can cut this. All of the topping gone on the bag. Like seriously, I thought they would put it in something and then put it in the bag. They just put it in the bag just like that. So all the toppings are off. So the topping is stick to the bag, but nothing special. Just that regular donut. And the chocolate one. Oh Jesus. All the chocolate on the bag. I'm a chocolate kind of girl, but I don't like the chocolate one. I kind of rather this. So this had some white. I'm wondering if it's cream cheese with sprinkles, but it's sweet, so I don't think it's cream cheese, and cream cheese is not sweet. This, like a 3 out of 10. Nothing much, it's just sweet. Nothing much to it, but this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl at her own journey. Thank you all for watching. And please remember, wherever you're watching from, please remember Jamaica in your prayers. Prayers over Jamaica, the people, and all of those things who have been through the hurricane. And bye guys, see you in the next one.